I knew I wanted to make games in high school. It's been a pretty consistent passion of mine throughout my life. A lot of the people at Gunfire started working together like 8, 9 years ago at Vigil Games. We made Darksiders 1 and made Darksiders 2. At some point we said, hey, we want to start our own independent studio. We had some really cool ideas, so we formed Gunfire. We talked to Amazon really early on, and at the time we didn't even know what they were working on. And they said, hey, we got this cool engine. We'd like you to come in and help us work on it and maybe explore some of the game ideas you had. But it really led us to get into the engine, play around, try some stuff out. We were able to build a prototype very quickly.
The idea was it was a multiplayer co-op where you would go into a bigger ship and take pieces from it and you would fight alien beings. When we were looking at the prototype and when we started showing that to people, you know, the comments were, wow, we never thought you'd be so far ahead.
We were able to build a pretty sophisticated prototype, multiplayer prototype, in 3 months with a relatively small team. It was an amazing tool set that allowed us to do that.
Lumberyard is a free AAA game engine, deeply integrated with AWS and Twitch, and comes with full source.
From the smallest developers, from indie Kickstarter teams, to big giant publishers who want to build massive connected games. They came to Amazon and they said, what can you do to help us?
What was very interesting to me about coming to Amazon is trying to figure out how we can meld traditional practices, what we've used to make games, with the cloud services of Amazon.
And we realized we had AWS, which is a leader in cloud technology. We have Twitch, which has a massive number of viewers and hardcore game players on it every month.
We're integrating those right into the engine and then right into the scripting tools so that designers can just use them right away. It is going to allow more people to start the building of a game simultaneously.
We have a great platform to help developers move faster, build a community of players, and help them monetize them.
As we develop Lumberyard, we're going to keep looking for ways to make things possible that weren't previously possible.
The global illumination solutions, physically based shaders, it's going to make life a lot easier as far as workflows and what you're able to achieve technically and visually on the screen.
Tools need to be responsive, they need to be fast and iterative. We're right in the same code base as all of our customers. Our internal studios are right alongside other studios using these tools and trying to find out the ways that we can iterate quickly and to make product as fast as possible.
We want to be able to see the individual become more powerful in their creative expression.
Games, of course, are more and more connected. There's vast, vibrant communities of fans that exist online.
One of the exciting things about Lumberyard is the Twitch integration.
More game developers are starting to think about how can you create a more rich and deeper experience with not only the broadcasters, but also their communities. We're seeing Twitch chat play come into the scene. Twitch chat play allows the developers to hook into Twitch chat and make that a part of the gameplay experience. Having things like being able to instantly join up with your favorite broadcaster, these are exactly the tools that everyone needs for that community success growth on Twitch.
We've integrated those tools right into our flow graph so that non-engineers can create experiences that let those spectators and players actually all interact together, and we can't even imagine what developers are going to do with this.
One of the biggest differences between making a game now and making a game like 10 years ago is the access to technology. Twitch is huge, just the streaming community in general is huge, and it's a great way to drive people into a game. Cloud services are really big, is whether you're doing an online game and you want to have dedicated servers, and no one's really ever come in and said, hey, we're going to integrate this from the ground up to the engine.
We're giving our developers a free game engine that can create the highest quality AAA games, and we're going to make it easy for them to build those connected experiences. The most ambitious developers are building games that connect players together in ways we've never seen. And we've built Lumberyard to help those developers achieve their vision.
It's a much, much deeper relationship with the customers and the communities than I think we've ever seen before.